Good afternoon. Welcome. And I wanted to welcome all of you to Pau Hana Friday, our event that takes place the first Friday of every month at our Premier Club Lounge. It wouldn't be Pau Hana Friday without some red wine, white wine, and Prosecco. And also today our food partner is Kozo Sushi. So there's some tasty treats going around and we hope you enjoy them. And then standing behind me are four handsome gentlemen from the group Kaiholu. They're here to perform for us this afternoon, and they'll be playing selections off of their latest CD, which is called Swaying Sea. All right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Mahalo.
Thank you, Matthew. You know that guy that's serving you folks beer or wine? His name is Paipai. He's also one of the flight attendants for Hawaiian Airlines. And he's also a hula dancer. So if you folks could cheer him on and get him out here, we can probably have him dance for us. Couple beers, it's all good.
This is Mr. Trax. He knows he works Hawaiian Airlines and very proud member.
Yeah, I'm a flight attendant. I would be on flight attendant if they made the aisles bigger. They make the aisles small, nobody get juice.
Just roll them down.
I just roll them down. I sit in the front, roll all the juice down, catch them in the aisle. I get history with this brother right here. We work together now, but we used to work together a long time ago back in the day. Out at Paradise Cove Luau. We both were dancers. Nah. No, I was a tour bus. That was a dancer.
You was the tour bus.
I was a tour bus.
And they all jump on your back.
I brought all the tourists out to Paradise Cove. As we do this song for you called Noho Paipai, the rocking chair hula. Ladies, hang on. Oh, boo, that was Ono. I think I need a beer on that one.
Hey, mahalo.
Pull my, I'm gonna take one break.
So if you see him on the plane, just tell him dance.
Oh, I got tired after that one. Do it slow now. Yeah, I got tired after that one, so we're gonna do a slow song for you right now. If can.